Ever thought about diving into the world of cryptocurrencies but felt your wallet was lighter than a feather? Well, guess what? You can kickstart your crypto adventure with just $20. Let's explore how, with a sprinkle of humor to keep things lively. So, you've got $20. That's enough for a fancy coffee or a modest start in the crypto universe. Think of it as planting a tiny seed in the vast digital garden. Who knows, it might just grow into a money tree. First things first, you'll need to find a user-friendly cryptocurrency platform. Platforms like CEX.IO are popular choices that let you start with minimal funds. Remember, even the mightiest crypto whales started as tiny plankton. With your $20, you can buy fractions of popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Yes, you can own a piece of Bitcoin without selling your car. Alternatively, explore other affordable cryptocurrencies that pique your interest. For instance, Cardano or ADA is an excellent cryptocurrency you can buy for as low as $20. Once you've made your purchase, consider adopting the show DL strategy. Hold on for dear life. It's like keeping a rare comic book. Its value might skyrocket over time. Just resist the urge to check its price every 5 minutes. Your sanity will thank you. As you become more comfortable, consider diversifying your portfolio. Investing in multiple cryptocurrencies can spread risk and increase potential gains. But remember, don't put all your digital eggs in one blockchain. The crypto world is ever evolving. Stay informed by following reputable news sources, joining online communities, and perhaps even taking a course or two. Knowledge is your best strategy. It's like free DLC for your brain. Protect your portfolio by enabling two-factor authentication. Think of it as locking your digital treasure chest. After all, you wouldn't leave $20 lying around for anyone to snatch, would you? Don't forget to always conduct your own research before making any decisions. Starting your crypto journey with $20 is not only possible, but also a great way to learn the ropes without risking your life savings. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's more like a learn-and-grow adventure. So, buckle up, stay curious, and may your crypto journey be as rewarding as finding a $20 bill in your old jeans. Join us and reach your next crypto level.